Hello viewers, please like, subscribe and share my channel. Do not forget to hit the bell icon.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Aditya's Diaries, and here I am, Aditya. So today is the next episode of my series, The Solar System and Its Planets. So today we will discuss all about Venus, the hottest planet. Today I will tell you some facts about Venus, and I will also tell you how to terraform it. So Venus is often referred as the twin sister of Earth because it looks very same as Earth from a distance, but when you go closer, it is actually very different. The size of Venus is 95% of Earth's size. Its mass is 82% of Earth's mass, and it's very same. It also has a core similar to Earth. Actually, it's a bit smaller, but because its size is 95% of Earth, so it has a core, solid core, a liquid outer core, a mantle, and a crust. Very same to Earth, but it is actually not that same because the atmosphere of Venus is similar to Earth, but it consists of almost 96% of carbon dioxide, means CO2. Carbon dioxide is often classified as a greenhouse gas because it causes greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect is global warming. So this causes this planet Venus to be the hottest planet of the solar system. So even if Venus is the second closest planet, not the closest, the second closest, Venus is the hottest planet of the solar system because of this atmosphere containing 96% of carbon dioxide. So the atmospheric pressure in Venus, like this is the land, and as there are many layers of atmosphere on Earth, there are 1, 2, 3, actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And to be perfect, there are 5 layers of atmosphere. Here is I'm writing not E actually, wait a second, it can be written as, it is troposphere. At the last it's E, so in everyone's letters it last is E, so I wrote E. It should be T for troposphere, and here S for stratosphere, and here M for mesosphere, here again T, okay I'm writing TH for thermosphere, and here E for exosphere. So there are many layers, so the pressure should be highest in the troposphere. The troposphere is the layer of atmosphere where we are living, because it is the pressure of 4 layers of atmosphere on the troposphere. Due to gravity, these layers are pulled and they're creating pressure on the troposphere. So that's what atmospheric pressure is. So here we are living in the troposphere. So if there would be an increase in the atmospheric pressure, like many other layers would be after it, then we would feel more pressure. Now we are not feeling the pressure because the pressure is from all sides. If I press your hand, you will feel pressure. But if I press from both sides, you will just feel that something is pressing. So that's what in Venus. In Venus, there's a lot of atmospheric pressure that causes an imbalanced atmospheric pressure, and it can press the humans. Like in the bottom of the sea level, there's a lot of pressure, and you can also feel the pressure if you go. But I will never say you to go there because the pressure is actually huge. Humans cannot survive in such pressure. So the temperature, as I have said, the temperature of Venus is very high. So it's so high that even lead can melt in Venus. So now let me say, how can you terraform Venus? Actually, till now with the current technology, there's no such way you can terraform Venus. But we can actually make electric rockets and such things. We can also make skyhooks, like there will be a long line here which will be connecting a counterweight at the top. Counterweight means something that will be pulling, and it would be joined to the bottom, and we can throw things from here to there. So that's what is a skyhook. So that we can use those technologies in future to terraform Venus, or to reach at least to reach Venus. we cannot actually terraform Venus because the temperature, pressure in Venus is very high. However, scientists have classified that Venus previously was not so bad, and it can be sustained as it could sustain life. So now let me say that in Venus there is as you know, there's no water, but at the surface of the Venus only there's as much pressure as in the oceans of Venus. But there are no oceans, but there are lots of streams of lava flowing through Venus, and that even causes it to be more warm. The atmospheric pressure of Venus also causes it to be more warm, because as you know, in Earth, in the troposphere we feel warm. When we go up, like planes fly in the stratosphere. In the stratosphere, if we would not be inside the plane, outside the plane, like in Mount Everest, so think as if the top of the Mount Everest is on the stratosphere. So here we would feel colder than on the troposphere. So the higher we go, the much colder we feel. So as the atmospheric pressure in Venus is very high, so life can till now life can only sustain in the carbon dioxide of Venus with a very little amount of oxygen in the atmospheres of Venus. So life can actually sustain on the thermosphere of Venus here, because there's a lot of carbon dioxide on every layer. In exosphere is nothing but a layer that connects the planet's atmosphere with the space. So exosphere would be very harmful for the creatures, and it would be open for everything. So even if this Venus has a ozone layer that can protect the things living here, the living things living here. So it only then their life would sustain on Venus, or else there's no chance of sustenance of life. As we almost know everything about Venus, so now let's know the distance of Venus and its hot star, which is our sun. Here is the sun, and when the Venus is here, at the maximum distance, this distance is 108.22 million kilometers. That's a lot. The orbit of Venus is also elliptical like the other planets. Venus rotates. This is revolution around the sun. The Venus revolves around the sun, and when the planet spins on its axis, it's called rotation. So when Venus rotates, it rotates in the opposite direction where other planets do. Venus rotates in a clockwise direction while other planets do rotate on anti-clockwise. There's another planet that rotates in counterclockwise, clockwise direction along with Venus, which is Uranus. So that's the distance from the sun till the Venus. So friends, that's all about Venus, and thanks for watching my video. Please see my previous episode of this series to know more about our solar system and its planets. My previous video was on Mercury, the smallest planet. And please be awaited by my next video of this series, which is on our own planet Earth. If you liked my video, please like and share my video. Please subscribe my channel and do not forget to ring the bell icon. Bye.